Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) Secretary S. Samungao expressed concern over the deteriorating situation in the state despite it having its own constitution. He said the state is like sitting on fire due to the election of leaders who lack understanding of constitutional values. Speaking at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, attended by party members and local residents, Samungao criticized the public for voting in exchange for money, food, or drinks rather than making informed decisions. He questioned whether citizens could move freely across the 22,327 square kilometer area of the state, including on the highways that serve as its lifeline. He appealed to the public to elect leaders who are committed to truth and capable of ensuring equal constitutional rights for all.
Manipur की border प्रजाति से क्या मैं हमने छाती वो ये था इकोई ने थागली में म्यूजिक से असीना सरकार से सेम दोरी बनी मकोई ने शासन तो दोरी बनी ऐसे काउ है काउ मीना कई दो रहा आई हिंबगी हक फोक लेते हैं मसे Manipur की border प्रजाति खांग बजानते हाईवे के निशान से न मतलब कभी इकोनॉमी ब्लॉकेज प्रजा इकोई से ngayu sapuda thamaga chananingba misinga sanadana tole kanana thole voter praja singna thagaliba matik chadraba unfit adumbo honorable singa do aduna tholi ne mado voter praja sing khangde bhona bhoni chaulaga thawraga loire ane mari yubi thapangami chak pijabangami dana adumna thagalaga samvidhan khangdaba how to govern the state government adu khangdaba mayama thagalaga tawdigi ngasidi Manipur se salak sare halak sare se khoi masen launa ba khoi masen hunna ba khoi masen langthanna ba adei khoi masen akan na din singba maduna di state se karigum da su khoi mang do progress soi roi now 21st century ji Manipur da tawi ji ancient time gi maduna bo khare na hama male